Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add yourself to any photo by using Snapseed. So let's get started. So if you want to add yourself to any photo, then what you can do is just simply install this Snapseed application from Play Store. And after installing this application, now what you can do is just simply tap on it and open up your Snapseed application. Now you just have to tap on the plus icon, and after tapping on the plus icon, now if you want to add yourself to any scene or any place, what you have to do is first of all you have to select that place. So I'll select my place, and after selecting the place, now what you can do is just tap on tools, which is on the bottom middle of your screen, and tap on double exposure. After tapping on double exposure, now what you can do is just import yourself to that scene. Just tap on the image and then import yourself. So I have selected this image. Now what you can do is just adjust this image according to your scene. So after adjusting yourself, now what you can do is just simply tap on this opacity option. And after tapping on opacity, now what you have to do is just increase it all the way up. And after turning it all the way up, now you just have to tap on this tick icon, which is on the bottom right side. And after tapping on the tick, now what you have to do is just tap on this option, which is in the top of your screen, which is edit stack. Just tap on edit stack, and after tapping on edit stack, now what you have to do is just tap on view edits. After tapping on view edits, now you have to tap on double exposure, which is on the bottom right side, and then tap on this brush icon. After tapping on the brush icon, now what you have to do is now you have to tap on this option, which is invert. After tapping on invert, now you have to highlight yourself. So to highlight yourself, here you can find this value, which should be 0. So after changing this value to 0, now what you can do is just zoom into your photo and then highlight your photo. So it might take a while, so I'll just speed up the process. So after highlighting your character, now what you can do is again tap on this option. So after tapping on invert, now you can see your character. So now what you can do is just turn this value all the way down and then color over the leftover artifacts. So here you can find all the leftovers. So what you can do is just simply clear them off. So after clearing everything in your image, now what you can do is just tap on the tick icon, which is on the bottom right side of your screen. And after tapping on the tick icon, now you can see you have successfully added yourself to other photo. So that's it guys, this is how to add yourself to any other photo. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.